Okay, we're going to look at the quick reports here. I'm going to do it in particular for exporting information from MyEdBC to Mastergrade. I'm going to start in the roster window in Gradebook. You can actually do the quick reports from pretty much anywhere, but they do take the basic information from where you are as a starting point. So I'm going to say next. That's a simple report. It gives us some basic information. We actually don't want any of these except for homeroom. I'll leave it in place. I'm going to switch this to sort alphabetically and start with pupil number. And we'll do the movement of places here in a second. Then we want the legal first name, or sorry, last name. And then we want their usual first name. And after that we want homeroom, so I'll just move homeroom down. And then we're looking for grade level. Home phone number. And finally PAN number. Okay, so that's pupil number, legal last name, usual first name, homeroom, grade level, home phone, and PAN. Then I'm going to say next. We don't want to sort by this field because it actually doesn't exist in here anymore, so we want to use the legal last name and the usual first name. Oops, switch that sort order. So those will be our two sort fields. These parts don't really matter much unless you want some statistics, I suppose. This name's fine, but we definitely need to change that into a CSV format. This part allows you to give different names to the titles. Most of them are pretty much standard anyways. The only thing we changed, or I changed, was homeroom because we call it Wings at Glen Eagle. Everything else is pretty much set up like you would expect it to be. We definitely want to save this thing and give it a name that makes some kind of sense. So like, you know, MyEdBC Mastergrade export or something. Works for me. Choose finish. And there's your data. And then the movement of that data from this position into Mastergrade is covered by the other screencast.